Making your first $1,000 is harder than making your next $10,000. Sounds crazy? That's actually how money works. Most people never reach their first $1,000. Not because they're lazy, but because they're stuck at zero. They try different things, watch videos, plan everything, but nothing changes. And while they're stuck, someone else is already making money. Because at $0, you have nothing. No skills, no leverage, no proof. You're starting from zero. And zero is the hardest place to escape. Part 1. Why it's hard. First, you don't have a skill yet. You try random things, but nothing sticks. Because skill equals income. Second, nobody trusts you. No clients, no audience, no results. Why would they? You have no proof. Third, no momentum. Everything feels slow. Because it is. Part 2. What changes? But once you make your first $1,000, everything changes. Now you have a skill. You know what works. Now you have proof. You've done it before. Now you have confidence. You stop guessing. And that's when things start moving faster. Part 3. How to get first $1,000. Focus on one skill, not 10, just one. Offer it, even if it's cheap or free at first. Get results. That's your leverage. Your first $1,000 isn't about money. It's about proof. Core message. After that, making money gets easier because you're no longer starting from zero. You're building momentum. Recap. The first $1,000 is hard because no skills, no trust, no momentum. But once you break through, everything changes. So stop chasing $10,000 and focus on your first $1,000. Be honest. How close are you to your first $1,000?